6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Got another troop here coming up. I don't know where the hell they got that camo. I never seen anything like that before in my life. Whatever happened to green and brown? Now, these guys I like. They are engaging, moving forward. Even though they're treacherous traitor scum on the wrong team. Totally unbiased reporting, of course. Nope. Are you feeling like that's a pretty good hiding spot down there? You hoping the enemy doesn't see you?
That's the plan, sir.
Well, it ain't gonna work because of that crazy camo you're wearing.
Camo's not in freezing, sir.
Green and brown, mister. Oh yeah, throw in a little black too.
Hold on, I got an interview. This is gonna be fun for me. Oh, pretty decent.
I've heard the rumors. You don't mess with the beard.
That's true.
This is the beard.
It's true. We've been having a good day.
That's awesome. Tell you, totally unbiased reporting. Those treacherous scumbags on the other side, traitors to their country. They've been on the run all day.
Yes, they have. We've been keeping them there.
Keep up the good work.
I will do that.
Like we have a man here that plans on getting shot. He's sitting in a grave. You know, I'm not here to tell people how to do their job, but next time you might want to dig that foxhole a little deeper. What the hell is this guy doing over here?
They made me run. This is very sensitive material, sensitive equipment.
What the hell?
I gotta recalibrate it.
It's a, is it gonna blow up or something?
Yeah, I don't know. It might. Oh, see, he's gonna blow everybody up right now.
Well, we're all going to be dead anyway. Up and up. Go. There we go.
It's very, very dangerous stuff, guys. Very, very dangerous.
Let's go.
Pass over the street. Hey, Steven, get over here. Get over here.
Hey, I got a broken shadow behind us.
Come on, push.
We got to get going.
Pull back. Cameron. Push. Run, come on, Cam. Let's go. Last man, come on. Last man.
Go! Come on!
We have all of our troops off the field. We are off tonight to the expo. Over.
Get that. You sure?
Yeah, that was way too close to me.
Oh. Hey, soldier. Recon from KWAR TV, totally unbiased reporting. What's your mission here today?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. We're getting a lot of static over the radio.
Well, I guess that's what happens when you have inferior military equipment. A lot of static.
This ain't inferior equipment.
Yeah, the new orders from command. We're to escort Dozer back to base with this package. Both of you, we need you now.
What are we up to here, soldier?
Escort mission, sir.
Escort mission. Well, that sounds like a lot of fun.
Nope, that's not ours. Fall back!
Well, soldier, you look very important. What's this package you're carrying here, if you don't mind letting me know?
Cupcakes for high command, so I'm not allowed to share any with anyone except for high command.
Okay. Well, tell you what, folks out there in KWAR TV, we got to keep this quiet. We got a super secret shipment of cupcakes here. We don't want to let the enemy know that the cupcakes are right here.
We're moving. Hey, Alpha Squad, we're pulling and we're moving west.
All right, let's get us out of here.
Move along the riverside.
Mortars, they just sent a mortar in there.
Yeah, we're way over there.
Yeah. So, just keep moving.
Where did you come from? Running out of ammo.
Where's Cameron?
I've got additional mags. No.
He's behind that bush over there.
What?
It's like 300 feet to your 12.
Well, he can't shoot everyone at the same time.
Man, do you copy?
Ammo carrier, Chinook, and Dozer are down.
How's the battle going today, soldier?
Another day in paradise, man.
How's it feel working for the general?
Oh, you know, he definitely gives me good rates on my insurance.
Yeah, wrong general. How's it feel to be working for my brother, the general?
Oh, your brother, the general? He's definitely making sure things get done. There's no crap with the general.
Well, I've heard you guys are the elite crack force troop of the entire forces. Don't mess with the beards.
Yeah, we've seen some things.
Yeah. We'll keep up the good work.
I have to get back to the fight. Move up.
All right, go.
That's why you can never find your grenades. Did you frack Sad? Welcome to the team, Sad man.
Well, I guess for these days, that's the first time I could ever say I've team killed you.
Recon here with KWAR TV, and looks like the battle is over. The victory has been won, and these gentlemen are very happy to be going home to their families. Thanks for staying with us. Have a great day.